Oh, hi. I was just, I was just, anyway. Hey, have you guys ever fractured a bone?
Well, I've never fractured a bone, but I did fracture my mom's face one time.
Today, let's make an alphabet using popsicle sticks.
This week, we've been practicing the sound ture at the end of words, as in the word picture. Today, let's do the word fracture. So when I say fracture, what sound do you hear first? There it is. Number 1 is f. What about number 2? Fracture. Are you looking? Okay, we got it. What sound is next? Fracture. Ah, you're looking at the yellow ones. Acture. Fracture. Good, you saw it. Whoa. Dun dun dun. It's time for ture. But remember, it's not spelled with CH. Do you see the letter that should go first? Ture. Good. You remember. T U R E. Ture. T-U-R-E. Let's split it by syllables. Say it with me. Fracture. And that, my friends, is how you spell ture at the end of a word. Thanks for watching.